welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. My name is Rose and today I am showing you guys a very basic fried chicken recipe. It's not only basic, it's gonna be the perfect fried chicken you can make at home. Easy recipe. And yes, I know you guys saw the thumbnail. That chicken look bomb, and yes, it tastes amazing. It tastes so crispy. So if you want to see it, keep on watching. Be sure you subscribe for more recipes like this one, and thumbs up if you enjoyed the recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, let's begin. I am starting with clean chicken. I'm using drumstick. You can use thighs, wings, whatever you desire. So I am going to brine the chicken. This is what's going to make the chicken tender. Yes, you need to brine it ahead of time. So I am pouring buttermilk on there. I'll say about 1 cup. Then we will add some flavor to it. Because brining the chicken will last for a long time, might as well just season it. So I am adding some fresh yellow onions with garlic, and also you will need salt. That's what's going to break down the muscle on the meat, okay, make it tender. So I'm using some salt as well. It can be like 1 tablespoon or more if you want. And I am going to add some red hot sauce on there as well. Now this is not seasoning it. This is just to brine it to make it tender. But at the same time, I'm going to season it as well. So that's why I added those, veggies in there. The onion and the garlic, the salt as well, to just give it some flavor. Then we're going to cover it and place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, okay? And y'all, this might be it, okay? This recipe right here might be it for me. That's the recipe I am going to stick with for all of my fried chicken recipe, because this one was thebomb.com. Just wait for it. Now, this is about 4 hours later. I am going to remove the chicken from the buttermilk. I don't know what's going on there with my voice. But I am going to remove the chicken from the buttermilk. Make sure you pat dry your chicken really good and let it sit for about, I'll say 10 minutes, okay? You don't want to fry cold chicken. You know what it's gonna do? It will slow down the temperature of your oil, and then your chicken not gonna be as crispy, okay? So once you remove it from the buttermilk, we're going to pat it dry really nicely. Make sure there's no type of moisture on there, and let it sit for a little bit before you start frying it. Once I am done patting it dry, we're going to season it with paprika, cayenne pepper, poultry seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper as well. And then we're going to just let it sit. Not in the fridge, you can let it sit out for 10 minutes. And then we're going to start cooking it, okay? Because you don't want to cook it cold. Trust me, frying cold chicken is just a disaster. Once you're done seasoning your chicken, we're going to season the flour as well. I am using the exact same seasoning that I use for the chicken, and we're going to mix it together. Now, keep in mind to taste your flour, okay? You have to taste the flour. I'm not telling you to take a whole spoon of flour and put it in your mouth, but just taste it a little bit. You're not gonna die. Okay, so once you're done mixing it all together just like that, everything is well combined with the flour, the seasoning is well combined with the flour, then we're going to move on. We're going to make an egg wash. That's what's going to help the flour stick onto the chicken. So I'm using 1 large egg. We're going to add about, I'll say, 3 tablespoons of water to it. Then we're going to mix it or whisk it until it's one color. You know how to whisk your egg like you frying. Now what you're going to do is take 1 chicken, place it into the egg wash just like that. Then we're going to let it drip a little bit to remove any excess egg wash. Then we're going to place it onto our seasoned flour just like that, okay? Now you can fry it as is, but I like to double flour my chicken. It's just more crispy, you know. So I am going to place it back into the egg wash and place it back into the seasoned flour. Now you have a double flour on the chicken. Just wait on it, okay? Just wait, you'll see. Now we're going to place it back in the seasoned flour just like that. And what I usually do is take my hand and squeeze the flour to the chicken. I just love doing that. It just helps the crispiness more so the flour can stick onto the chicken just like that. And then we're going to let our chicken sit for another 5 minutes. You'll see what it does, okay? It should give you like a wet batter. You see how it looks? This is the look you need before you start frying your chicken. If you don't get that look, don't fry it yet. That's what's going. By the way, guys, oh my Lord, I am using self-rising flour. I forgot to mention self-rising flour is what I'm using, not all-purpose, self-rising. Okay? Self-rising flour, that's what's gonna give you that crispiness, that fluff, that crunch. Okay, you can tell how crispy this look. I'm telling y'all, this right here is the perfect basic fried chicken you can make at home. And this chicken right here is the best chicken you'll ever taste it. It's so crispy and so tender. Oh, let's not go there. Super extremely tender, guys. KFC has nothing on this fried chicken right here. This is the best fried chicken you will ever taste it in your entire life. So crunchy, so crispy, and the flavor on this chicken is to die for. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. You can see it. Come on. A moment of silence for this chicken right here. Let me know what you think. Would you try this recipe? Of course you will. I'm kidding. If you're going to try it, give it a try. And if you did, come back to this video. Let me know how you like this recipe. Is it a yay or a nay? So let me know down below. Oh, so crispy. I am going to try it for y'all. I'm still chewing. Child, look at that. Perfect fried chicken recipe. Now you know how to make it. Now go on and make your own fried chicken. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. That helps me a lot. That helps me know that you enjoyed this recipe so I can keep going. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Yum.